Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to apply for the DV lottery, starting from October 2nd to November 5th. If today is the first time watching me, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video to your loved ones. Welcome once again. Uh, so this screen right here is just for training purposes only. There is a disclaimer that says this is a full copy of the official DV lottery application form. Use it for training only. You will need to apply on the official website www.dvlottery.state.gov when it opens to take part in the lottery. So that's the website for you to apply for the DV lottery right here. This screen is just for training purpose. So let's start. This is part one of the application, and it's about your information, the applicant's information, last name, first name, middle name. So before I start, I have my birth certificate here. I have my passport here. You don't necessarily need these documents, but it's here because I don't want to mess up with the information I'm providing on the form, especially when it comes to the name, date of birth, and where you were born. Those are, let me say, an important part of the application. So let's start. Last name, let me use someone else's name. So I'm from Ghana, so let me use a Ghanaian name. Last name, let's say Opoku. First name, let's say Bismarck. If you don't have a middle name, check this box, no middle name. If you do have a middle name, type in your middle name. Let me put Kwame here. Gender, you are either a male or female. So let me check this, male. Date of birth, we all have date of birth. So if you don't know your date of birth, just confirm it from your birth set and make sure you enter it as it is on your birth set. Enter the right date of birth. City where you were born. So I was born in Kwabri, Kenyase, in the Ashanti region. So my city of birth or my birth city would be Kumasi, would be Kumasi. If you are not sure of the city of birth, just check this box. There is nothing wrong with it. You wouldn't have any problem. But if you are sure or if you know, just paste or just go on Google and search for the city where you were born. Just type where you are living or where you were, the place that you were born. If you were born in, let's say, Krofrum, let's say Santase, let's say Kenyase, just search on Google and you get an answer. So I've typed Kumasi right here, country where you were born. Just select your country. I was born in Ghana, so scroll down to G. This is it. That's it. That's it. Ghana right there. This part is asking if your country is eligible to take part in the DV lottery. If your country is eligible, you just select yes. If your country is not, select no. So Ghana is eligible, so I'll just check this one. Scroll down. Entrant photograph. Because this is an online form, which is not the official form for the DV lottery. I cannot upload the photo right here, but it's so simple. If you are using your phone, just you will see upload. Just click on it, and it will take you to your pictures. Just select the passport picture that you want to use for this application and submit it, and that'll be all. You'll be good. And let's take note of this. It says your passport picture must be taken in the last 6 months. So if the passport picture you are using for this application is more than 6 months, don't use it. Don't. Don't use it. So make sure you are doing the right thing. From here, we go straight to the mailing address. In care of. So if you don't have your personal mailing address, let's say you want to use the mailing address for your church, you just type in the name of the church. So in care of Good Shepherd Methodist Church, Good Shepherd Methodist Church. So what's the box number? So PO Box KS 8511. So where is that box number? Where is that box number? Which city or town can we find that box number? Edum, Kumasi, district, province, state, county. So you can just type Kumasi right here and you'll be good. Postal code or zip code. In Ghana, we don't have any postal code. We don't have any zip code. So just check this box. Country. The country where you can find the box, the mailing address. It's Ghana. So let's select Ghana. Country where you live today. So this part they are asking of where you are currently living as you are applying for the DV lottery. So let's assume I was born in Ghana, but currently I'm living in Cote d'Ivoire. I'll just go ahead and select Cote d'Ivoire. If I'm currently living in Kenya, I'll select Kenya. If I'm currently living in Togo, I'll go ahead and select Togo. So I'll just select Ghana as the place I'm living. Phone number is optional, but I will encourage you to add your phone number. So let me add just a random phone number 2478505. So that's my number, but I just removed the last two numbers. Yeah. Email address. Make sure you have an email address. Make sure you have an email address. If you don't have an email address as you are filling the form, just create one. Don't close the screen, don't close the form. Just open a new tab and create one. Or if you have a family or a friend, you can just contact that person, get his or her email address, and use it. It's very important. So let me use a random email address. So let's say King's Pandent at live.com. Pandent at live.com. So you just copy this email address and paste it right here. It's very important. What is the highest level of education you have achieved as of today? So you will just select the highest education level or the highest level of education you have achieved as of today. So if you are currently in the university, if you are still schooling, you are in the tertiary level. Let's say you are in the university doing your master's, your degree. You've not yet achieved that certificate. So you cannot choose that one. So let's say you are in the university as a degree student. You are not you don't have the degree certificate yet. So the only thing you choose is high school because that's the certificate you have now. If you are a high school student and you've not completed, you are still in school, select high school, no degree. Yes. If you are high school graduate, if you have your certificate or you are pretty sure that you get your certificate from now till next year, April, yes, you are good to go. Just select high school degree. And this side, they asking of your marital status. If you are single, if you are not married, just select unmarried. That's all. If you are divorced, just select divorced. So your marital status as of today is what you select. If you get married tomorrow, you are still single. Just click or select on unmarried. That's it. So number of children, yo, if you have kids, if you have an adopted child, if you have a stepchild or stepchildren, who and they should be under the age of 21. Your kids should be under the age of 21. So if you have kids, just type the number. Let's say you have 6 kids, you have 2 kids, you have one or zero. That's all. Then you submit. After you submit your application, you will see a screen like this. Make sure you save it on your phone, your laptop, or take a screenshot of this page. You will need the information here when the results comes out. So this place is your name, your confirmation number, your date of birth, the year, and the digital signature. You will need these three informations: name, confirmation number, and your year of birth. So you can keep it safe in your notes. You can just type the name, the confirmation number, and the year of birth. You can just type it and save it in your notes, in your email. You can take a screenshot, whichever way that you can keep this safe. Try and do it. So that is it for now. If you have any question, just drop it at the comment section. I will attend to you. Peace out.